bombastic, I like your bomb, bomb, bomb. Elle est dit, hey baby, baby, hey baby, baby. Montre-moi ton corps de rêve qui fait tout le bandit, bandit. Quand tu bouges ton body, tout le monde te regarde et applaudit. Oh, t'es belle et sexy, hey, bombe à la party. Vas-y, remue tes formes. Suis-moi, tu vas kiffer, pas moyen que tu dormes. Elle est dit, hey baby, montre-moi ton corps de rêve qui fait tout le bandit, 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 bandit,
My name is Peter, and this is my son Luke, and we're from Seattle, Washington, and we just went on an ATV tour with Pedro, and it was fantastic. We went on this trail that took us up to 2 private beaches, Playa Monterey and another beach, and then we went and saw a couple private villas over the sand, and we went up through these trails. I mean, the views were amazing, way on the mountaintops, all through these rutted roads, and through the jungle, and we came to this, out in the mountain, we came to a botanical garden. It's a tree farm, botanical trees, and we went on a tour through that. It was beautiful. I mean, they have a greenhouse up there with orchids and all different types of flowers. And then we went down off to the other side, came down to a little town, and came back into that loop. It was about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and it was awesome. Don't you think,
Yeah.
buddy? Was it awesome?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Fantastic time. Thank you.
All night.